Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover the important agriculture scheme, that is Coconut Palm Insurance Scheme. In short, it is called CPIS. It is very important scheme because it is insurance related for IBPS AFO, NABARD and other examination related to banking. Okay, it is also important for UPSC and state agriculture examination, state public service commission examination. Now we will know why this scheme is very much important. Okay, now let's go. Before starting this important session, I will take your 2 minute time. If you are preparing for any agriculture examination and BHU, NABARD, ICAR, IBPS, AFO, State Public Service Commission, so practice is very much important. You can join our Telegram channel. Daily we are adding 50 plus questions in the Telegram. That is very much important for your exam. This is our link at the rate AgriLearner app. We will also give the link in the description. You can join from there. Now let's start the scheme. Main aim of the government behind this coconut insurance scheme is to increase the farmers income. Although coconut is the perennial crop, we all know that coconut is the perennial crop, and yet cultivation is subjected risk from the climatic change, natural disaster, pest, disease and etc. Okay, coconut is the perennial crop, everyone knows this, because it is the long period crop, and natural disaster, climate change, pest and these things affect the coconut production very much. Further, palm trees are characterized by the periodic system of crop setting, and outcomes hence resemble the seasonal annual crop. Moreover, coconut is cultivated under rain-fed management. Mostly coconut is produced under rain-fed management system and susceptible to the biotic and abiotic stress. Due to the above reason, this is the separate insurance scheme for coconut palm growers. Government want to support the coconut palm growers. Government want to increase their income. So this scheme, government knows that if coconut will be production of the coconut will be more, then India can earn more money by exporting the coconut. Now we will know what are the insurance company that can do insurance of the coconut palm. Insurance company that are authorized by DAC, District Agriculture Corporation, or Government of India. Okay, they only can insure, do the insurance of coconut palm. Now in the competitive examination, they can ask the question that in Odisha, coconut growers are getting insurance from this company like LIC, Bajaj Allianz, or authorized by the DAC or authorized by the Government of India. Then the correct answer will be the authorized by the DAC or Government of India, because without authorization none of the insurance company can insure the coconut palm. Now come to the objectives. What are the objectives of this scheme? Many questions can come from the objectives. There is only three objectives of coconut palm insurance scheme. First objective is to insure the coconut palm. Second objective is to timely relief to the farmers who suffer the income loss. And third and most important objective is to minimize the risk and encourage the replanting and rejuvenation of coconut. Now understand this in the easy language. Till now what is happening, if in any natural calamities coconut palm got damaged, farmers are not replanting another coconut palm at that place. They used to empty the field and do the normal cultivations of other crop, and this is getting the great loss. Slowly all old coconut plants are getting damaged, so government is trying to encourage the replanting of coconut. Now we will understand the what are the scheme operations, and in the end of this scheme I will tell you what type of the question they can ask you from this scheme in the examination. Now we will know what are the conditions in which government is going to help the coconut farmers, like storm, hailstorm, cyclone, typhoon, tornado, heavy rain. These all natural calamities government is going to help the farmers. Flood is also condition. In this condition also government is going to help the farmers. Pest and disease, wide sprays of natural causing, okay, accidental fire including the forest fire, bush fire or lightning, earthquake, landslide, tsunami, several drought and any other natural condition related to these things, government is going to help the coconut farmers. Okay, these conditions are very much important. After this we will know the premiums, how much premium government is paying, how much premium farmer is paying. This is most important part of this whole video. Okay, how much premium the coconut board is paying, it is important. Now it is the last slide, let's check it out. Now the most important part of the video is premium and premium subsidy. Okay, now understand the premium allotment. 50% by the Coconut Development Board. It is also known as CDB. 25% by the state government, and 50 plus 25 it is 75%, and 25% only farmer have to pay the 25%. If in the question they will ask how much subsidy that government is giving in the coconut scheme, okay, coconut palm insurance scheme, you can say 75% total subsidy, because 50% by the coconut development board and 25% by the state government board. Now understand, one type of the more question they can ask, how much central government is paying in coconut palm insurance scheme, then it will be the 50%, because it comes under the central government. Coconut development board comes under the central government. Most important part that you need to know, that if farmer is going to do the insurance of 3 years, they will get the discount. If farmer is going to pay the premium of 3 years, they will get the discount. Now the last slide is most important. Now let's check it. Don't forget to do three things. First thing, to subscribe us. Second thing, join our WhatsApp group for 6201733962, and join our Telegram. You will search AgriLearner app, you will get it. Okay, join it. Here you will get all the important information of agriculture, jobs, and all the vacancies. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.